Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we're going to learn how to use lists in Python with examples. Lists are one of the most used data structures in Python. They help you store multiple values together. So let's get started. Open your PyCharm project, right-click the folder, choose new and then select Python file. Let's name it list_demo. Now let's create a list of fruits. Let's create a list with the name mylist equals within square brackets. Let's define the items within double quotes apple, within double quotes banana, within double quotes cherry. This creates a list with 3 items apple, banana and cherry and stores it in a variable called mylist. Now let's print the list. Print function within brackets mylist. Let's now run the program and see the output. You will see apple, banana, cherry. Python shows the list using single quotes, but that's just how it displays text. It works the same whether you used single or double quotes. Now let's create a list of numbers. Let's create a list with a name numbers equals within square brackets, then define the values 10, 20, 30 and 40. Then we print it. Print function within brackets numbers. When we run this, Python prints a 10, 20, 30, 40. This is how we store a collection of numbers in a list. Now here's something interesting. Python list can also hold different types of values. Let's try a mixed type list. Let's create a list with a name mixed equals within square brackets, within double quotes hello, then the number 99, then the decimal 3.14 and finally the value true. Now let's print this list. Print function within brackets mixed. When you run the program, Python prints hello 99 3.14 true. So yes, you can store strings, integers, floats and even booleans all in one list. That's one of the great things about Python. Lists are flexible and dynamic. Let's now create an empty list. Let's create a list with a name empty list equals open and close square brackets with nothing inside. Now let's check the length of the list to see how many items it contains. Print function within brackets len function within brackets empty list. When we run this, the output is 0, which means the list is empty. You can always add items later. So far we learned how to create a list in Python using square brackets, add string values, numbers and mixed types, print a list to the console, and create an empty list using empty brackets.